What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Take this good ass energy. We're finna make some fire beats today, so let's just dive right into the video. Sit back, relax, and just work with me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, and let's get it. I'm excited. I kinda like this sound from Dune 3. Let's just mess around with this sound. Something really simple, bro. It does not need a lot. Let's quantize this. Now we have the bass for the melody, like the top line. This is like the main sound you will hear throughout the beat. All it needs right now is like some chords and some bass notes, and then we can just build off of that. So let's just add that in there. A little arp that you can add in there as well. Make sure it's quantized and on tempo, otherwise it will sound weird. So what I'm doing right now is just adding some effects, some like accents, just to like spice up the melody a little bit more. I love where this is going right now. I can already hear the drums, and that's a good thing. Once you hear the drums, bro, it's like, yeah, then you know the melody is fire. So okay, so that's the build-up with the bass and stuff, and then now we're going to mute this hi-hat, mute the bass, and then throw in a kick and an 808, bro. And then like maybe a different type of hi-hat, like a two-step maybe. I don't want to add this one. This one is nice. Make it shorter. That one is special. So right here, I copied over the kick pattern and I'm going to press Option K to pull it back to C. I think it's Control or Alt K on Windows. And then what you do is just drag it all the way back to C. Make them shorter by hitting Shift D. Let's just listen if the kick fits the 808. If it doesn't, what you can do, a cool trick, is reverse the polarity, and that way the kick will lay a little bit better on top of the 808, or just switch out the kick. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah. Bro, this shit go crazy. It's like a Metro Boomin type beat. Dark Metro Boomin type beat for like maybe Travis Scott, Don Toliver, 21 Savage. Even Young Thug could do a verse on this, bro. They go crazy, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.